Doctors, sometimes we are in mid of very difficult situation after some surgeries like hysterectomy or cesarean section, basically after two previous cesareans और after a very difficult cesarean कई बार हमें लगता है कि ब्लैडर रप्चर हो गया है, हम बहुत डाउट में होते हैं and immediately 1 or 2 days we want to check out. Sometimes I also face this situation and the urine was very cloudy and turbid and blood stained due to a long prolonged labor and very long ट्रायल ऑफ लेबर. तो उसमें कुछ एक सिंपल इन हाउस इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो मैंने सर से पूछा कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं अपने ब्लैडर को चेक करने के लिए, तो सर विल डॉक्टर एबी वानी CEO ऑफ विलमेंट ही विल एक्सप्लेन अस दिस.
Thank you, ma'am. So today we will try to see how you can see a bladder which is not ruptured, and you are thinking that I have got this bladder ruptured during the procedure. Now, the key point is that you have to see for the integrity of the bladder, but you have to be short over here. What you will do, you will insert a catheter over here. Then via Foley's, what you will insert this fluid with a dye.
Okay.
With a dye. So this is the Foley's catheter over here. And
catheter को हमें ब्लैडर को हमें retrograde fill
retrogradely you will fill the bladder with the dye.
Dye.
So when you are inserting a dye, where this dye is going? This is going in the bladder. This is going in the bladder over here.
ब्लैडर की कैथेटर को हमें क्लैंप करना है.
Right. Now the point here is that if this bladder is ruptured from here or anywhere, this dye will go into the cavity.
Okay.
But if there is no rupture of the bladder, you can see this bladder like a very beautiful, a circle or some round shape over there on a simple X-ray. On a simple X-ray. Ultrasound is sometimes, making you confused because there may be some loops or there can be some fluid which is not escaping through the bladder but is already there. You will get confused that you are thereby making yourself confused that I am dealing with the rupture of the bladder. But if you will take a simple X-ray, try to understand. This X-ray will show you what the dye which you have inserted in the bladder. So you will be seeing this type of shape of the bladder. So if
and see the dye is also not leaking.
Dye is not leaking over here. So this is the simple investigation which is making a 100% diagnosis of whether this is a ruptured or unruptured
within 500-600 rupees.
Right. So this is the case where you can go home and speak and sleep very comfortably that this is not the case which I was thinking of.
Okay. Thank you, sir.